We are so happy to welcome you to the Furry Friends Rock Art Camp, adventure in nature, fun, and good times for everyone. I'm Patty Rokas, your camp director, along with Malia Rios-Lazo, here to discover nature art together and practice mindfulness skills to build inner peace and self-confidence. So this video is for the parents or caregivers of the child participating. We want you to know how to get the best out of this fun and meaningful experience for your child. So I'll explain what we're doing, what's needed, and what you can expect. Everything we do comes out of our belief that every child is born good, powerful, creative, loving, intelligent. We are simply drawing upon that and encouraging that in each one of them. So know that you're welcome to join us if you like. However, the course is designed to be mostly hands-off by the parents. Once the child is prepared with the supplies and a way to watch the videos, then the classes can be watched whenever you wish because they're all pre-recorded. You may use the class any way you want that fits into your schedule. It's so fun, it's hard to wait, so some kids like doing multiple classes in the same day. They average 30 minutes each. Some are shorter to give time for practicing, and some are longer to expand on a theme. Your help will likely be needed to assist your child when it comes time to take a picture of each week's art or using your cell phone to film them building their rock art pictures for our video tutorials. Now, each of the 5 weeks, we focus on a different rock art subject, creating families, birds, dogs, and cats with common rocks. But the first week is all about the rocks, what shapes to collect, where to find them, cleaning them, and putting them together, and putting together their rock box of all the supplies. Now, just in case a child does not have access to the outdoors or to rocks, we even include a cooking class for making cookies the shapes we need. The Full Color Camper Activity Book is an excellent resource for everything we do, so be sure to look through it or download it and print it if you wish. The first lesson of each week is the main tutorial for the week, so don't miss that one. From there, we build upon a theme, learning different ways to create the subject, such as using line art and video art. So be sure to watch the lessons in order, or at a minimum in order within the week we're talking about a specific theme. We also weave in positive affirmations and mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing and stretching. Be sure to let your child know where they should do the rock art with us and help them put together their rock box, the supply box. The art supplies are mostly free because we all go and find our own rocks in nature. However, there are a few things that make Rock Art Camp more fun, and we explain all of that in the supplies video that you can watch next. To add to the fun and help the kids know that they're accomplishing the milestones, we are including award badges. So each week when your child completes their assignments and feels confident in creating their theme on cats, dogs, families, birds, you can give them their badge and proclaim them a Bird Certified Rock Artist. Just print out the full color badges and the DIY award box. This is a wonderful way for you to connect with your child and give them the love and praise that nourishes their hearts. So there you go. There's an outline of what to expect, and we are so excited to see you all on the first day of camp. And just make sure that you watch the supplies video or get the printout and just check those off and see what will really help the kids be prepared. Thanks so much for enrolling the kids in this camp. We can't wait to have them.
Yeah, there's one. But for now, just rest and be sure and take away the light that fills you.
have rock art camp starting August 2nd.